Welcome back to Cryptocurrency Daily. Today is Thursday, December 28th. I'm going to kick it off very quickly with an intraday update. We're going to start off with BlackCoin, BLK. It's currently trading at roughly 96 cents US. It's up 48.61% over the last 24 hours. They have a $74 million market cap. They are the original proof of stake coin. Users that keep their BlackCoin wallet open to secure the network via staking will get from 1 to 8% interest per year. BlackCoin primarily focuses on fast transactions, anonymity, eco-friendliness, and transparency within the ledger because everybody does use the same ledger. They have a bunch of offers which you can learn more about on their website where they provide a much more in-depth outlook, but I'll briefly run over them. They do offer Black Halo, which is the world's first fully functional contracting software. They offer PayBlack, P-A-Y-B-L-K, which is an open-source, multi-platform, multi-signature secure BlackCoin wallet. Finally, they offer BlackSite, which is an open-source BlackCoin blockchain explorer, so it eliminates theft and deception for good using Black Halo's unique double deposit system. There's no escrow agents, there's no middlemen, no courts, no arbiters, all automated in the software itself. One of the reasons that they may be trending upwards today is because they were just listed at coinhouse.eu. I did briefly look into coinhouse.eu. Just be aware that they do have high fees, but again, we're talking about BlackCoin here and why they may be on such a strong uptrend. The technology looks promising, it sounds promising, so do a little bit of research on BlackCoin and keep them on your radar. Next, we're going to move over to ZClassic, ZCL. We did recently put out an episode on ZClassic, maybe about a week ago or so. It's currently trading at $36.58 US. It's up 33.17% over the last 24 hours. They have a $66 million market cap. It is a fork of Zcash. ZClassic is equity, no censorship, and no governing body. Now, that's their tagline on their website. Zero Knowledge Proving Scheme is decentralized and open source technology that offers privacy and selective transparency of transactions. What's important to note there is selective transparency. So while they do have a very strong emphasis on anonymity or privacy, it is selective. Now, of course, that's by the end user. They're on a huge uptrend right now because of their recent fork. So they forked into Bitcoin Private. I will do a separate episode on Bitcoin Private itself because I think that it deserves the time. However, in the meantime, you can definitely check it out online and learn more about it. But that is definitely one of the main drivers for such a large spike. But again, ZClassic has been on the up and up over the last couple of weeks, obviously keeping in mind the market conditions and recent volatility. They just launched a bounty program and they're offering 1 Bitcoin if anybody does solve the issue. If you want to learn more about it, check it out on their Twitter. They also did just provide a new wallet installation on GitHub. This one's for Windows. It is publicly available. Obviously, it's on GitHub. Check it out. And I want to close it out with another one of their value props, which really resonates with myself, but a lot of crypto traders or people that are interested in the technology behind cryptos. ZClassic says, and I quote, "In a time where your life is in constant surveillance, ZClassic brings complete financial anonymity." Great line, awesome technology, great team behind ZClassic. Keep them on your radar.
First up tonight is Decent, ticker symbol DCT, currently trading at $2.04 USD, up 41% over the last 24 hours, with a market cap of $104 million. Decent is a content distribution blockchain, essentially. For content providers, you can publish content via the decentralized Decent network, decide its price, and share the content with the world. For developers, you can build your own applications on top of Decent's protocol. And for seeders, you can help to recreate the online content distribution process and get a reward for doing so, which would be the DCT token. As a seeder, if you're not familiar with that term, what you do is you use your computer's capacity to see the content, you get rewarded with the token, and what that does is it helps to establish the decentralized distribution model, joining the blockchain-based network, and support the future of online publishing. So there are a couple other coins like this on the market, but this is interesting because it's a trend that we're seeing in blockchain and in this industry. So for advertisers, for publishers, for content creators, it's something to look out for. Decent can be found online at www.decent.ch and on Twitter at Decent Platform.